Today in 1B we are discussing we have seen how to use the logarithmic derivatives. Okay, we have seen x power x and x power sin x, x power tan x, all that problems we have seen. Today we are going to see one more important problem. Okay, in the sometimes in the final examination is giving for 7 marks, sir. Please understand this, your logarithms has to be done. So okay, find dy by dx. Y is equal to 1 minus 2x to the power of 2 by 3, 1 plus 3x whole raised to minus 3 by 4, 5 by 6, minus 6 by 7. Okay, look at here how we are doing. Now apply log. So log y is equal to log of, here lot of simplification will come, please understand this, by right, log a by b is log a minus log b. Minus log of right, log a into b, log a minus log b, log a plus log b, plus, observe here, log a by b is log a minus log b, log ab is log a plus log b. Again here also same, put in a bracket, don't change, remove the bracket, sir. Observe here, right, one by one, step by step I am going. Now again the power will, you know very well, log of a power m is equal to m into log a, which you know already this formula. So using this formula, what I will do, log y is equal to 2 by 3 log of 1 minus 2x, again minus 3 by 4 log of 1 plus 3 by. So the power will become coefficient, the power will become coefficient, minus log of, minus, the power is becoming coefficient. Put everything in the bracket only, don't remove the bracket. Again the power will become coefficient, 1 plus 7x. Now open the bracket. Means what? Minus 5 by 6, minus of minus plus, right. Now we have completed, everything is coming in one linear equation. Now we have tried the statement, differentiate with respect to x. So here 1 by y into dy by dx, 2 by 3 logarithm derivative, 1 by 1 minus 2x into d by dx of 1 minus 2x, because chain rule will come, sir. This is very important, that's why I said again, minus 3 by 4, 1 by 1 plus 3x into d by dx of 1 plus 3x. Okay, continuations are, it is, big line will come, 1 by 1 minus 6x d by dx of 1 minus 6x plus 6 by 7, 1 by 1 plus 7x into dE by dx of chain rule. So this will come into denominator, again derivative. Okay, so here if you understand, here we are putting a logarithm for this. Log a by b is log a minus log b. Inside multiplication is there, log a plus log b. This is coming in the bracket. This is also coming in the bracket. Open the bracket. Before opening the bracket, what I am doing? Power will become coefficient. That's what I have written. In this, I have written coefficient. This also coefficient. This also coefficient. This also. Now with minus sign I am opening. Now till now we have simplified this. Then I am differentiating with x. So 1 by y dy by dx. 2 by 3 log means 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 2x and derivative of 1 minus 2x. Similarly, all that will come. Okay, please note down carefully. This is one complete line, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, copy this. This also sometimes is giving for 7 marks, sir. Now, okay, what is the derivative of 1? 0 and 2 into 1 x derivative 1 minus 3 by 4 1 plus 3x into 1 derivative 0 3x derivative 3. I told you many times, if I say kx derivative is always k, or what we say, don't bother about k, find x derivative. Okay, next step. Into derivative again 0 minus 6 plus 6 by 7 into 1 by into 0 plus 7. Okay, I have found out individually derivatives. So this part is over. Now next step. 2 by 3 into minus 2 minus 3 by 4 into 1 plus 3x into 3 into minus 6 plus into 7. Okay, I am writing step by step, sir. Any cancellation is there, we can do it. There is no cancellation, so is equal to 2 into minus 2 minus 4 by 3 into 1 minus 2x. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 3 into. Now any cancellation? No cancellation. Minus 9 by 1 plus 3x. And this 6 and this 6 will get cancelled. Minus of minus will become plus. So 5 by 1 minus 6x. Right? Why 5 by 1 minus 6x? 6 and 6 will get cancelled. Minus of minus will become plus. Again 7 will get cancelled. 7x. Therefore, y into minus okay, where y is equal to the given problem you are trying. Where y is equal to minus 2x 2 by 3 by right. So here you have to find the derivative, then simplification part. Okay, please note down. Here where y means you are right, whatever problem is given. Okay, this is the answer. Next problem. This next two problems are very simple, sir. Okay, next three problems are very simple. There is nothing in that. Very simple concept. So here x power 4 into cube root of x square plus 4 by 4x square minus 7. So first we'll write this. Cube root means 1 by 3 by square root means 1 by 2. Okay, cube root means 1 by 3. Now apply log. So log y is equal to log of by whole raised to 1 by 2. Again log a by b minus log of whole raised to 1 by 2. Right? Again log AB formula. The steps you have to remember very carefully, sir. Log x power 4 plus log of, put in a bracket, minus. Don't change anything here, sir. So log y. So power will become coefficient. 4 log x plus minus right in a bracket. Now final bracket you open. Minus, right? Now differentiate with respect to x. So we have simplified everything, sir. Now logarithm. So 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 4 log x derivative 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by x square power 4 d by dx of x square plus 4 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4x square minus 7 d by dx of 4x square minus 7. Therefore 1 by y dy by dx 4 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into, right, and x square derivative 2x plus 0 minus 1 by 2 into 4x square minus 7, 4x square derivative, x square derivative 2x, so 8x minus 0. Now over, sir. Now 1 by y, I said this is, okay, 4 by x, there is no cancellation. Here also there is no cancellation. 2x by 3 into x square plus 4, and there is no cancellation here. One cancellation is coming. 8 will go with 2 4 times. So minus 4x by 4x square minus 7. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y into 4 by x plus 2x by 3 into x square plus 4 minus 4x by 4x square minus 7, where y is equal to the given problem, x power 4 cube root of x square plus 4 by square root of 4x square minus 7. So here what we have done, we have applied logarithm, everything same, sir. Wherever is derivative is required, that we are finding out. Okay, please note down. Next problem. X cube by again, sorry, y is equal to first x cube square root means power 1 by 2, sir. Cube root means 1 by 3, square root means 1 by 2. Okay, apply log is equal to y, right? Again same concept, sir. Log y is equal to log a minus log b, x cube 2 plus 3x whole raised to 1 by 2 minus of log of 2 plus x into 1 minus x. Again log y is equal to log of x cube plus log of 2 plus 3x to the power of 1 by 2. Everything in the brackets, observe here, minus of log ab, log of 2 plus x plus log of 1 minus x. Okay, again log y is equal to, this will become 3 log x plus 1 by 2 log of 2 plus 3x. Okay, open the bracket, log of 2 plus x minus log of 1 minus x. Now everything has come in a linear, so differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by y into dy by dx. Now 3 into log x derivative 1 by x plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus 3x into d by dx of 2 plus 3x minus 2 plus 3x, then minus 1 by minus 1 by x d by dx of 1 minus x. Okay, chain rule we are applying. Okay, therefore 1 by y dy by dx 3 into 1 by x into plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus 3x into 2 derivative 0, 3x derivative 3 minus into 2 plus 3x 0 plus 3 minus into 0 minus 1. Three by x, 3, there is no cancellation, plus 3 by 2 into 2 plus 3x. Okay, there is no cancellation. Here there is no cancellation. Minus 3 by, sorry, this is 2 plus x, sir. This is 2 plus x. I'm sorry. This is 2 plus x, 1. So this becomes what? 1 by. Here 2 plus x is there, sir. 2 plus x will come. Now observe here. Minus of minus will become plus 1 by 1 minus x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y into 3 by x, 3x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 by 1 minus x, where y is equal to what, sir? X cube into root of 2 plus 3x by 2 plus x. Now observe here in this problems, the first problem is a very lengthy, other problems are straightforward. Apply logarithm, log a by b is log a minus log b, log x cube is 3 log x, and 1 by 2 2 plus 3x, then derivative of this. So 2 plus 3x derivative is 2 0 plus 3. Similarly we are finding, then automatically what will happen? 3 by, then only simplification will come. Okay, right, let us see one more problem in this. Okay, root of now observe here, complete root is there. Power 1 by 2. Now apply logarithm. Completely it is there. So log y is equal to log of x minus 3 x square by 4 3x square plus 4x plus 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Log y is equal to 1 by 2 log of x minus 3 x square plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, so log y is equal to 1 by 2 log a by b. So log of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 minus, I am putting a flower bracket, this 1 by 2 is there outside of the flower bracket, minus log of, right, close, right, this square bracket is there, flower bracket is there. Again log y is equal to 1 by 2 flower bracket log ab log of x minus 3 plus log of x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, now log y is equal to 1 by 2 log of x minus 3 plus 1 by 2 log of x square plus 4 minus 1 by 2 log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5, right. Now I open the bracket with 1 by 2. Now again differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 1 x minus 3 into d by dx of x minus 3. Again 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus 4 into d by dx of x square plus 4, right, minus 1 by 2 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into d by dx of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, observe there what we are doing, we are writing d by dx of 3x square plus 4. Okay, right. Now every problem we are doing in the same model, sir, only change is the equations are changing. So 1 by y 1 by 2 x minus 3 into x derivative 1 1 minus 0 1 by 2 into x square derivative 2x plus 0 okay, and 3x square derivative 6x plus 4. Why? X square derivative 2x, sir, so it becomes 2. So 1 by y dy by dx. Any simplification? No simplifications are here. 1 is there, so 1 by 2 into x minus 3, cancellation is there, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, x by x square plus 4, and if you take 2 common, 2 will get cancelled, sir. So what I meant by this, 3x plus 2 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Sir, if I take 2 common, I am writing here 2 common, 3x plus 2, that 2 and denominator 2 will get cancelled. This is the explanation. So that's why 3x plus 2. Therefore where y is equal to root of, you can write the problem, x minus 3 by plus 5. Clear? So what I have done? Apply logarithm. This 4 problems 1, 2, 3. 4 problems I think. We have done 4 problems, sir. All the 4 problems are very, very important, particularly first problem. Then in this there are 2 problems are there. Okay, 2 problems are there. With that we will be finishing these derivatives. But here important thing is should know the formulas and the problems which we have discussed. Okay, right. We'll see the 2 problems in the next video.